Washington, D.C. The Capitol S streets are lined with flags. The air is tense but ceremonial. Crowds gather behind the barriers, holding cameras, waiting for a glimpse of the president. Every soldier in the Presidential Guard stands perfectly still. Their rifles gleam in the sunlight, uniforms pressed to perfection. No one moves. No one speaks. The event begins. Military bands play the opening march. The president steps onto the red carpet, a foreign leader at his side. Flashbulbs go off, capturing every moment. Everything is running exactly as planned. From the far end of the crowd, movement breaks the rhythm. An elderly man begins to walk forward, slow steps, a wooden cane. His jacket is worn, faded from years of use, pinned to his chest. A single silver star medal. Some in the crowd notice him and step aside. Murmurs ripple through the spectators. Security spots him immediately. 2 agents move subtly in his direction. The man keeps walking. Invisible security lines exist at events like this. Cross them, and you are stopped instantly. The elderly man is now close to crossing one. His face is calm, but his eyes seem lost in memory. Lieutenant James Wilson, front row of the guard, locks eyes with him. Wilson's jaw tightens. Something about the man feels familiar. He can't place it yet. The man takes one more step, now just feet from the barrier. Everyone expects Wilson to stop him. Instead, Wilson breaks formation. His boots strike the ground in perfect rhythm as he steps forward. The entire crowd falls silent. Even the band stops playing. Wilson stands before the man. Instead of blocking him, he slowly removes his ceremonial helmet. He bows his head. Gasps echo through the crowd. A guard never breaks formation. One by one, the rest of the guards follow. The most disciplined soldiers in America are now bowing before this stranger. The elderly man freezes. His hands tremble, his eyes well up with tears. There are no words, no handshake, no salute, just a bow, older and deeper than any military protocol. The moment stretches, heavy with unspoken meaning. Decades earlier, Vietnam. Gunfire tears through the jungle. A young soldier named Daniel Wilson is pinned down with his unit, outnumbered, surrounded. Survival seems impossible. Through the chaos, another soldier charges forward. Bullets whip past him. He drags the wounded to safety, one by one. Daniel Wilson is among them. That soldier is the man now standing before the guard. Daniel Wilson survived. Years later, his son James Wilson would join the Presidential Guard. Today, without knowing it, James is standing face to face with his father. Savior. The man nods once, turns, and walks back into the crowd. The band resumes playing. The ceremony continues as if nothing happened. But everyone there knows they just witnessed history. By nightfall, the footage is everywhere. Headlines read, "Presidential Guard breaks formation to honor veteran." Millions watch, and millions feel the same truth. Sometimes breaking the rules is the most honorable thing you can do.